this question, we have to find the characteristics for the unit step response of 5 different transfer functions. Okay, now you can see here there are 5 different transfer functions and we have to match these characteristics with respect to this one. Okay, now observe fourth transfer function. Okay, fourth transfer function is given as minus 0.1 by s. Okay, minus 0.1 by s. Okay, what does this mean? That this is pole at origin. Okay, pole at origin. Okay, it is having a slope of minus 20 dB per decay. Now out of these 5 transfer function in this characteristics, okay, this is a slope of minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, so transfer function 4 characteristics is D. Okay, now observe transfer function 3 minus 5 by minus 20 s plus 1. Okay, how can you reduce this one? This is equal to 1 by 4 times of s minus 1 by 4. Okay, now what is this one? 1 by 4 times of e power plus 1 by 4t. What does this mean? That this is exponentially rising. Okay, in these 5 characteristics we have exponentially rising characteristics, this one. Okay, a characteristics a is represented with transfer function 3. Okay, now similarly you can observe transfer function 2. He has given this is minus 2 into e power minus 10s by 10s plus 1. Okay, what does this e power minus 10s represents here? E power minus 10s represents here a delay of time constant is equal to, you can say it as 0.1. Since e power minus t by tau is the representation, time constant is equal to 1 by 10, so 0.1 seconds. Of these characteristics you can see here, this is the delay we have in up to 0.1. You can take this one as 0.1 seconds. After 0.1 seconds, this characteristics is decaying. Okay, what about e power minus t characteristics? This is exponentially decaying. You can see this one as e power minus 0.1 t. Okay, so transfer function 2 is characteristics of C. Okay, here C characteristics is transfer function 2. Okay, similarly you can find transfer function 1. What type of system this is? This is type 2 system. Type 2 system will always have some oscillation with respect to zeta, that is damping. Okay, out of these 5 characteristics, E, okay, characteristics E represents type option 1, that is list 1 transfer function. Okay, and last one is 4s plus 3 by 2s plus 1. What is the slope of this transfer function? Slope of this transfer function is 20 dB per decade, that is plus 20 dB per decade minus 20 dB per decade. So what is the slope of this transfer function? 0 dB per decade. Okay, you can observe 0 dB per decade is characteristics B. Okay, this represents transfer function 5. Out of these 4 options, option A is correct.
An old man remembers first 8 digits of a 10-digit telephone number. Dialing at random, what is the probability that he will dial the number correctly? Now, out of 10-digit telephone number, first 8 digits an old man will remember. So he has to go for random dialing of the last 2 digits. So we don't need to arrange this 8 digits. So we can arrange the last 2 digits by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 9. So there are totally 10 digits which can be used to dial the last 2 digits. Now, out of this 10 digits, last 2 digits, that is the last 2 places, can be filled in 10p2 ways, which is nothing but 10 into 9 by 10 into 9, which is equals to 90 ways. But out of this 90 different random numbers, there will be only one number that will be correct. Therefore, the required probability is 1 out of 90, which is nothing but option B. Let us look into the problem. z inverse logarithm of z by z plus 1. Let us consider the function, logarithmic function, that is log of z by z plus 1. We can simplify this as log 1 by 1 plus 1 by z, dividing numerator and denominator by z, which can be written as log of 1 plus 1 by z whole inverse, which is minus logarithm of 1 plus 1 by z, since log a bar m is nothing but m log a, minus of logarithm of, it is in the form of 1 plus x. Now logarithm of 1 plus x is nothing but, no, minus of logarithm of 1 plus 1 by z. We know logarithm of 1 plus x is nothing but x minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 3 x cube minus 1 by 4 x power 4 and so on. In place of x we have to substitute 1 by z. So the value will be minus of 1 by z minus 1 by z whole square by 2 plus 1 by z whole cube by 3 plus 1 by z minus 1 by z whole power 4 by 4 and so on. This can be written as minus 1 by z plus 1 by z whole square by 2 minus 1 by z whole cube by 3 and so on. This can be written as summation of minus 1 power n by n into z power minus n, which can be written as minus 1 power n by n into z if we remove the z transform. Therefore, z inverse of logarithm of z by z plus 1